Have you ever listened to a guided visualization and thought, this is nice, but I wish it were more tailored to me and to my needs? Or maybe you've tried to create one yourself, but struggled to make it feel immersive and effective. Visualizations are one of the most powerful tools for neural retraining. They help your brain to create new and healthier pathways, they reinforce safety, and they can shift your nervous system into a healing state. But to be truly effective, a visualization needs to resonate with you personally, engaging all of your senses and all of your emotions. And that's where many people get stuck. Creating a visualization that feels natural isn't always easy, especially if you're unsure of where to start. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Lori Clemmons, and I'm a neuroplasticity coach. One of the really amazing tools of neural retraining is visualizations, but they can be difficult to create. That's where some of the new AI technology can help. With this new technology, like ChatGPT, we now have tools that can support us in creating highly personalized, immersive visualizations that actually feel right for our healing journey. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to generate visualizations that are tailored to you. I also have other videos on how to use visualizations in your neural retraining practice, so be sure to check the links in the description below. I release new neural retraining videos each Wednesday, so I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First is step 1. Let ChatGPT know what you want to create. The first step is to clearly tell ChatGPT what you want to create. So start by giving it a role. Type in, act like a meditation creator, and create a guided visualization script. And then step 2, tell ChatGPT what you want your visualization to focus on. So here you'll decide what type of visualization you're wanting to create. Do you want this to be calming and grounding, something to regulate your limbic system? Or do you want something that expands your comfort zone, like incremental training or building confidence in certain situations? You'll want to be specific here. You might say, the setting is a peaceful forest, and the focus is relaxation and calm. Or, I want a beach visualization that helps me feel peaceful and safe. Or you might try, I want a visualization where I walk into a busy restaurant with confidence and ease. The clearer you are here in setting the scene and the tone, the better ChatGPT can tailor it for you. And then step 3 is to ask for sensory details. The most effective visualizations are immersive, meaning that they engage all the senses. This helps you to really connect with your limbic system and send messages of safety. So when you ask ChatGPT to create a visualization, make sure to request lots of sensory descriptions. So sensory things include things like, what do you see? Like the colors, the lighting, the movement around you. What do you hear? Maybe ocean waves or birds singing or background city sounds. What do you smell? Fresh pine, salty air, warm vanilla from a candle. What do you feel? a warm breeze, or the soft grass underfoot, or the weight of a cozy blanket. And what do you taste? A sip of tea or the crispness of the air? You can guide ChatGPT to make them specific like these, or just tell it to add some in and let it do its thing. By instructing ChatGPT to include these, you're making the visualization more powerful and effective for your nervous system. And then step 4 is to specify the length. So if you want a short, simple visualization, ask it to create one that lasts maybe 3 to 5 minutes. If you'd like something deeper and more immersive, you can request 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. You may need to play around here. ChatGPT doesn't always understand reading speed or taking space to integrate what you're experiencing. And then step 5 is to edit and fine-tune the visualization. So once ChatGPT generates a visualization, you may want to tweak it to better match your needs. You'll want to give it clear instructions to fine-tune it. So this might be things like adjusting the tone, changing the setting, enhance the sensory details, make it shorter or longer, add self-talk or affirmations, simplify vocabulary or sentence structure to make it sound more conversational, or to include opening or closing cues. The more specific you are with your edits, the more personalized and effective your visualization will be. And then step 6, if you would like, would be to have ChatGPT read it aloud to you. If you're using the ChatGPT iPhone app, there's a voice feature that allows you to have the visualization read aloud. I'm not sure about Android devices, but I've heard that ChatGPT app on Android does have the voice feature. This can make the experience even more immersive, almost like a guided meditation that you would get from YouTube. However, the voice feature only has one speed, and it's a bit faster than I prefer for visualizations. I know that there are ways to slow it down, but I'm still playing around with a simple way to do that. So I'll let you know when I figure something out. If you have any ideas, please share them in the comments. Unfortunately, this voice feature isn't available on the ChatGPT website. So if you want to have it read out loud, be sure to use the mobile app. Depending on when you're watching this video, things may have changed. So double check to see what's available. Creating a custom visualization with ChatGPT is a great way to support your neural retraining journey in a way that feels safe and engaging and deeply personal. If you try this out, let me know how it goes. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what kind of visualizations you're working on. I invite you to subscribe for more videos about self-directed neuroplasticity and neural retraining. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.